SQE and the future of the legal profession. To save costs, a part or all of a legal transaction may be automated. This has already become possible due to the rising availability of decentralized blockchain technology and smart contracts stored on a blockchain. Artificial intelligence and automation are already taking over a lot of the legal work that used to be done by humans. Unlike us, these machines and programs do not make mistakes and can self-learn. To thrive in this ever-evolving business environment, law firms and individual solicitors will need to move with the times. Legal professionals who are stuck in their comfort zone of traditional office-based environments and paper-based practices may soon find themselves replaced by those who embrace the new way of working, adjust their methodologies accordingly, and broaden their skills and knowledge base to be able to deliver quality, cross-disciplinary services in an increasingly technology-enabled world. The lawyer of the future will be someone who is able to work both independently and in a team, technologically savvy, creative. Solicitors need to be able to think critically about legal scenarios and come up with the kind of creative solutions or estimations that cannot be automated by a machine. Who are we? We are an SQE2 training provider with years of experience helping candidates prepare for the QLTS OSCE assessments, a precursor and test drive to the SQE2 and based on the same methodology. We are a cohort of solicitors, most of whom have been admitted as solicitors of England and Wales via the Qualified Lawyers Transfer Scheme, and are now practicing English law. Building upon our knowledge and experience, and in order to help today's candidates, we have set up a course where they interact with a qualified tutor within the framework of a mock, only one student at a time and in real time. The online mocks we offer are those assessed in the SQE2, both oral and written, client interview, attendance note, advocacy, legal writing, legal drafting, legal research, and case and matter analysis. Perhaps even more importantly, in each mock, the SQE candidates receive an individual mark and feedback from the tutor. The effectiveness of such individual interactions with experienced professionals has been proven by OSCEsmart to produce increasingly high pass rates, as well as very generous words of gratitude and kind reviews from our graduates.